Introducing the Magic Bullet 11-piece set, the ultimate culinary magician that's transformed kitchens worldwide with over 40 million units sold. Are you ready to unlock the power of simplicity and convenience? Get ready to experience the kitchen revolution that completes any task in 10 seconds or less. With its high-speed blending and mixing prowess, this versatile blender and food processor combo is your ultimate kitchen assistant, making cooking a breeze and crafting delightful dishes a snap. If you're interested in learning more about the Magic Bullet Blender Small Silver 11-piece set, please click on the link in the description below. More than just a blender, say goodbye to the complexities of traditional kitchen appliances and embrace the magic of the Magic Bullet. This 11-piece set offers you the convenience of a personal kitchen food processor and blender assistant in one compact unit. The secret to its efficiency lies in its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape, which work in harmony to circulate food forcefully into the cyclonic cutting zone. This means that any food prep task, from chopping to blending and grinding, can be accomplished in mere seconds. Endless possibilities. Imagine creating delicious shakes, smooth dips, mouth-watering sauces, delectable toppings, and irresistible desserts, all with the Magic Bullet's speed and ease. It's not just a kitchen appliance, it's your culinary canvas for experimentation and creativity. The question becomes, what can't it do? With this magical tool in your hands, your kitchen transforms into a playground of flavors and textures. On-the-go convenience, don't let your creations be limited to your kitchen. The Magic Bullet's portable cups and flip-top to-go lid allow you to take your culinary masterpieces on the road. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a picnic, your favorite smoothies, sauces, and dips are ready to accompany you on your adventures. Effortless operation. With the Magic Bullet, simplicity reigns supreme. Just twist the lid on, flip it, and reverse it onto the power base. A quick pushdown is all it takes to start the magic. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, the Magic Bullet's intuitive design ensures that anyone can create culinary wonders with ease. Easy cleanup. In the world of cooking, cleanup is often the less exciting part. But fear not, the Magic Bullet's attachments are all top-rack dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Even the power base can be cleaned with a simple swipe of a damp cloth, leaving you more time to savor your creations. Unleash your creativity. The Magic Bullet 11-piece set includes everything you need to embark on your culinary journey. A powerful 250W motor base, a cross blade for versatile blending, tall and short cups for different portion sizes, a party mug for sharing your creations, lip rings for sipping on the go, stay fresh resealable lids, and a to-go lid for ultimate convenience. Plus, the included 10-second recipe guide ensures that you're never short on inspiration. Ready to experience the kitchen transformation you've been waiting for. With the Magic Bullet 11-piece set, you'll redefine the way you cook, blend, and create. From tantalizing smoothies to savory sauces, every dish becomes a masterpiece. Embrace the magic, embrace the convenience, and start crafting culinary wonders like never before with the Magic Bullet 11-piece set. Say hello to culinary creativity and say goodbye to kitchen chaos. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.